Alright, bet, we out. Just me that waits for people to not be near you. So even though you're in a helmet, like, people can still hear you, though. I used to think people can hear me when I'm talking on a helmet. They can 100% hear me, and it's cringe as fuck. So I'm just, wait, no one's around me. Yo, what's good? Welcome. I don't know, back? I was gonna say welcome back to the channel. It's my first video, if I end up making this video. We're just gonna do, like, a raw POV ride on my scooter, Nami Burn E. It's pretty fire. I fuck with it. And yeah, this is going to be like a raw POV ride. I want to do some yapping because I'll be yapping a lot. See how this goes. It's gonna be like my first video. I've had this camera for like so fucking long. I've never done anything with it. But now I got a mic. Hopefully it sounds good. It was expensive, so better. And yeah, we're just going to press record, start riding, and we'll do something with it. If that's good, we'll keep going. It's so fucking fast, bro. Holy shit. I should not be going that fast here, but I just did. Let's actually cut through this park. What's nice about scooters, I can do this and not many people care. Some people care, but if I ride slow enough through and you're just respectful, no one gives a fuck if you cut through a park on a scooter. People arguably get more mad when I'm riding in the street. Even if I'm passing them, I'm not causing traffic, I'm not in the way. People get mad at me just for existing. It's like, bro, I'm gonna just pass you when I'm gone. It's whatever. People get mad at everything, so who cares? Dude, this car is so nice, bro. Aston Martin. What is it, like the DBX or something? I think it's so fucking beautiful. Bro, fucking X5, BMW, fucking Urus, fucking RSQ8, bro. I would pick that over anything. It's way nicer. Way, way nicer. Oh, X5 isn't really comparable. Like the X5M comp, like price-wise, it's way cheaper, but like performance-wise, it's not that far off. We should go around the water. I'll go down these side streets. It's a nice day out. It's like literally the first like nice day I've actually ridden. Fucking Canada, bro. Haven't ridden in how many months? Like 5? I don't fucking know. Rode a bit like when the snow first cleared out, but it was still cold. I was still in a jacket. Like it sure wasn't fun. But this is like literally the first nice day I'm actually riding. Like I'm in a t-shirt right now. The first time I actually get to ride and not be like freezing and not feel my hands after fucking 10 minutes. I've already been out for like, I don't know, 30 minutes? Maybe something like that. A decent amount of time. And like, I feel fine. Which is nice, because bro, the cold fucking sucks. Fuck the cold. I don't like living here. See, I'm just a law-abiding citizen. I'll never run a red light. I'll do everything else, but, you know, red lights, never run them.
Are you sure about that?
He just spins all the fucking time. Try and get the fucking traction down. These brakes got power though, this is nice. I like actually being able to lock up the fucking brakes whenever I want it. Shit, bro's whipping the garbage. So he took that turn, bro. He's moving. Take it faster than I'm gonna take it. That was slightly sketchy. The road was like fucking bumpy there. That did not feel great. I was not confident in that at all. This ride's been fun, but I don't like riding in the day. I don't know, it's kind of dumb, but I like evening to nighttime rides. Riding in the day now, because it's still too cold in the evenings. I'm like, yeah, I could wear a hoodie, yeah, I could like fucking wear gear maybe, that would be a good fucking idea, but nah. I just don't like it. Just feel so free, you know. I'm on like $2,000 of stuff right now, and it's just a fucking helmet and the camera. There's nothing else. Any like cops or something around? It's pedestrian crossing. Squeeze through here. That's the one thing I'm scared of when I hop on like main roads and start like, you know, riding how I do. I only see other cops. Like, I'm not even that scared of like anything really. That's the only thing like I consciously like constantly think about. But I don't like driving in traffic at all. Fuck this. So I just go out in the evenings and just fucking send it. Like empty streets. I don't be cutting out. I don't be doing none of that shit personally. Is that a cop down there? I see a minivan. No, it's a school car. Alright. I'm actually so paranoid, bro. I've been pulled over a few too many times. I'm so paranoid of cops. They don't do much anyways, but they could. And I don't like those chances. Cause I mean, look at the fuck I have on it, bro. Racing permit. Yes, officer, here's my license. I'm registered. I'm legal. Look, there's no license plate. Definitely legal, officer. 100%. Yo, W car is staying way far behind me. I hate when people go up my ass. It actually pisses me off. Pause. Be waiting all patiently and shit. I was trying to do what time it was. I have no idea. I was just light turn green. I think it's the fucking turning light there, which is so dumb, bro, because no one's turning there.
A few moments later.
Sitting duck at a light, bro. I hate this. I should have just went.
One eternity later.
I'll be waiting here for like fucking 5 minutes. It's pedestrian crossing. You know what? I'm a pedestrian, to be honest. I don't feel illegal doing that. Is that illegal? I don't know. If I walked it, it would be, but I'm not fucking walking this bitch. It's just like 100 pounds. Like, straight in pothole. It's whatever. I don't know if that's legal. But like pedestrian crossing, like, it doesn't feel like running a red light. I don't know why I don't just run it though. Like, there's no consequences. See, my fucking brake has air in it. I think I said something about that earlier. Just pump it a bit and see, it feels better. So there's definitely air in it. Am I gonna fix it? That's a good question. I don't have an answer. So I think I'm gonna call my ride here. I'll probably just turn this off for now. I had a bit, and yeah, that'll be it for the day. Thank you all very much for watching. If you somehow made it to the end of my fucking yap. What are you? Okay, we're good. But yeah, thank you all for watching. Like 5 people that maybe saw this video. Appreciate it. More to come when I actually get to ride again, because I think it's supposed to rain the next fucking week, which will suck, but you know. Maybe a rain ride? Nah, fuck that. I don't like riding in the rain. Shit fucking sucks. Oh, it slicks too. And it's just like, it's water resistant, it's not waterproof, so. But alright, enough yapping. Thank you all very much. See you in the next one.